Welcome. Let me guide you through the unique structure of my Akashic reading sessions, designed from years of experience and over 1,000 successful readings. Each session is carefully divided into 3 key segments to ensure you gain clarity, healing, and actionable guidance. Segment 1. Understanding the real issue and framing the right question. In the first part of the session, we focus entirely on understanding your core concern. Often, what seems like the issue on the surface is just the starting point. We'll have an in-depth conversation to uncover the real challenge you're facing. Once we identify this, I help rephrase your question because in the Akashic realm, the clarity and precision of your question determine the quality and depth of the answers you receive. This foundational step sets the tone for the entire reading. Segment 2. Connecting to your Akashic records. Once your question is clearly defined, I transition into the meditative process to connect with your Akashic records. This connection is the heart of the session, where I access the vast, energetic library of your soul's journey. Regardless of the issue, the records provide profound insights tailored specifically to you. If necessary, I may integrate divination tools to enhance clarity and ensure we uncover every layer of guidance. Rest assured, this process is intuitive, clear, and deeply aligned with your unique energy. Segment 3. Interpreting the guidance and providing a roadmap. In the final segment, I explain the insights and messages received from your Akashic records in detail. But it doesn't stop there. I also translate these insights into actionable steps, creating a personalized roadmap for you. This roadmap is designed to empower you, offering clarity on what actions, perspectives, or shifts are needed to move forward in alignment with your soul's purpose. This 3-part structure ensures that every session is comprehensive, deeply healing, and practical. My goal is to help you leave the session not just with answers, but with a clear sense of direction and renewed confidence in your journey. When you're ready to unlock the wisdom of your Akashic records, I'm here to guide you. Let's start this transformational journey together.